Question 14. Now, a bit more tricky this. Remember, factorising is putting the brackets in. So, what's the biggest number that goes into 10 and 25? That's 5. So 5, open up your bracket. 5 times what would give you 10a? That's 2a, because 5 times 2 is 10, 10a. Then get the sign right, it's a plus. And 5 times what would give you 25? 5 times 5 is 25. So quite tricky to get there, but pretty easy just to multiply out, just to expand it and make sure you get back to where you started. Now with part B, same idea, we've got to put the brackets in, but there isn't a factor of 7 and 4. There isn't a number we can take outside the brackets. So the best we can do is take out the most number of w's possible, which is a single w. So taking the w outside the bracket, w times what gives you 7w squared. Now remember, w squared means w times w. So w times what gives us 7ww, well that's 7w. Get the sign right, it's a minus, and then w times what would give you 4w, it's a 4. And again, easy to check, that times that is 7w squared, and that times that is minus 4w. Now I think C and D are easier, so we just put in our claw. P squared times P is P cubed. Get the sign right, and P squared times 5 is just 5 lots of P squared, 5P squared. Now part D, expand, that's getting rid of the brackets, and then simplify, gathering up the like terms. So let's start off by doing the expanding. So it's this times both terms in the bracket, then move over to the minus 3 and times that by both terms in the bracket. So starting off with the blue ones, x times x is x squared, x times plus 7 is plus 7x. Moving on to the minus 3, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 3 times plus 7 is minus 21. So you get 1 mark for getting as far as that. That's expanding, getting rid of the brackets. We've now got to simplify. Well, we can't tidy up the x squared or the minus 21. They remain unchanged. But 7x can be gathered up with minus 3x. 7x minus 3x is plus 4x.